Greetings from sunny Southern California. I want to invite you to the upcoming Anaheim Electronics and Manufacturing Show. It's going to be taking place October 2nd and 3rd at the Anaheim Convention Center. AEMS is a high-value design and manufacturing show for the electronics, medical, and biotech industries, among others. The two-day event is packed with educational seminars, networking opportunities, and it showcases cutting-edge new products. Premier Magnetics will be exhibiting at the show, and we can be found at booth 316. I hope you'll have a chance to stop by and learn more about our latest product offerings, which include a family of shielded surface mount inductors. These are ideal for power supplies with limited space and requiring a small footprint. You'll also see samples of our expanded line of radial lead drum inductors. These come in both shielded and unshielded versions. Or just stop by to discuss any upcoming transformer, inductor, or other component requirements that you have with our expert engineers. While you're at the booth, don't forget to grab a complimentary drink ticket for the networking event. Hope to see you there.